Drowning in a sea of invoices and tired of manual payments? Then let's unlock a simpler way with Plaid and get those invoices paid securely and efficiently. In this video, we'll walk you through using Plaid to connect directly to your bank account for streamlined invoice payments. First, when you're ready to pay an invoice, look for the Pay with Plaid option on the payment screen. This may be a button or a clear indication within the payment methods. Click it to begin. You'll be redirected to Plaid's secure interface now. Select your bank from the list provided or use the search bar to find it quickly. Next, Plaid will prompt you to enter your online banking credentials, just like you normally would when logging into your bank's website. Don't worry, Plaid uses bank-level security to protect your information. After logging in, you'll see a list of your accounts. Choose the specific account you want to use for the invoice payment. Review the payment details carefully, ensuring the invoice amount and P information are correct. Then, click the Authorize or similar confirmation button to grant permission for Plaid to process the payment. You'll be redirected back to the invoice payment platform, where you should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment has been successfully processed through Plaid. Congratulations! You've just paid an invoice securely and efficiently using Plaid. This streamlined process saves you time and simplifies your billing. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on online payments and financial management. #Plaid Invoice #online payments.